Hi there Albert, welcome to the second demo video. We did agree upon two demo videos of around 30 to 50 seconds, but here we've gone well over 1 minute for both videos. Here I'm showcasing more text on screen and in different positions and orientations, so you can see how text can really liven up a scene with 360 videos. I've used roughly the same type of text for this first scene here. In this video we're sticking to more of a consistent style for each scene that we're going to be showcasing here for this 1 minute video, or just over 1 minute. This should be really fun and you should be able to scroll around each scene to try and find where text has been placed. As I said before, we're focusing more on text here. This scene that I created I really did enjoy, due to the fact that it has a font that completely blends in and utilizes the colors within its background. And there we have it for our second demo. That is my logo on screen, and see you back on Upwork. Thank you.